Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Many people wonder if pressing the Backspace key will delete their emails in Microsoft Outlook. The short answer is that it depends on which version you are using, but usually, it archives them instead of deleting them. In modern versions like Outlook 365 or the web version, hitting Backspace moves the selected message directly to your archive folder. This keeps your inbox clean without actually sending the message to the trash. If you want to move an email to the deleted items folder, you need to use the delete key on your keyboard instead. This is a common point of confusion for many office workers. Archiving is great because it saves your data for later search while removing the clutter from your main view. However, if your goal is to permanently remove a sensitive or useless message, Backspace is not the right tool. You can find your archived messages in the folder labeled Archive on the left side of your screen. If you find that Backspace is not doing anything at all, make sure your mouse has actually clicked on the email list first. Sometimes the focus is on the search bar or a different pane. You can also customize your keyboard shortcuts in the Outlook settings menu if you prefer the Backspace key to perform a different action. Most American users prefer the default setup once they understand the difference between archiving and deleting. Remember that archiving keeps your storage usage the same while deleting eventually frees up space once the trash is emptied. Understanding this simple keyboard shortcut will help you manage your daily workflow much faster.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.